3. What we're going to do is we're going to make a spreadsheet, the menu items annual sales for Healthy Hut. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open up a spreadsheet. You're going to name it 2.3, which I've done. It says key in the data as it's shown in figure 2.3. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type all this out. So on my spreadsheet, I'm going to type it out just how it looks. Let me do that right now. Okay, I got it all typed out. Let's go back to the directions. For number 4, format row 1 as bold. So I'm going to click row 1. I'm going to make it bold. Okay. Number 5, format the text in A9, A11, and A12 as bold. A9, bold. A11, bold. And A12 as bold. I left out what is A12 supposed to be, lowest sales. And we're going to make that bold. Okay. Moving on. In cell F2, key in the formula for the sum of the annual sales for sandwiches. So right here, we're going to put equals the sum, left parenthesis. We're going to select quarters 1 through 4, hit enter. Autofill to calculate the rest of them. So click back up here, put your cursor on that little square, click, hold, and drag straight down. All right, number 8. In cells B9, key in the formula for the total sales for formula for quarter 1. So quarter 1, we're going to put equals the sum, left parenthesis. We're going to select all the numbers in quarter 1, hit enter. Then we're going to autofill from C9 through F9. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to put my cursor in there, turns to a bullseye, and I autofill going all the way across. All right, number 10. In B11, we're going to use the max formula to find the high sales in quarter 1. So here we're going to put equals MAX, left parenthesis, and we're going to select all the numbers in quarter 1 again. We're going to hit enter. All right. We're going to autofill that over. So we're going to click back in here, put our cursor on that little square, autofill it over to F11. All right. And then we're going to do the minimum right below that. So we're going to put equals MIN, left parenthesis, select these same numbers, hit enter, click here, and we're going to autofill that over across. There we go. All right, so we are now on step 14. Right align columns B through F, format them as currency with 0 decimal places. So we're going to highlight all this A, B, C, or B, C, D, E, and F. We're going to right align them. We're going to hit the $sign to format them as currency, and they want 0 decimal places. So we hit the decimal decrease button. Now we have whole numbers. All right, number 15. Use the data in A2 through A7 and F2 to F7 to create a pie chart. All right, so this is going to be a little bit interesting how we're going to select 2 cells that are not right next to each other. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight A2 through A7 like we normally would. Just like that. Then we have to go over and do F2 through F7. Do that. Hold down the control key, click in F2 and drag down to F7. So now you can see I have the 5 or 6 things in column A highlighted and the numbers all the way in column F highlighted. I don't have anything else in the middle highlighted. So let's go see what we got to do. All right. They want us to create a pie chart. So once I have those selected, I'm going to click this button right here. It says Insert Chart. When I do that, they're going to just assume I'm on a chart, and then we're going to change the chart type to pie chart. All right. Now we're going to have to make some changes to this. So let's go there and see what they want us to do. All right. Customize the pie chart. We want to change the title to Healthy Hut Annual Sales. So here's my title. If I double click on it, I can type Healthy Hut Annual Sales. Okay. B, display the legend to the right of the pie chart. So now that I have my title, if I come down here and I find the word legend, I hit the drop down arrow, I click position, and I want to move it to the right. All right. Change the chart background to a light gray. Oh, I'm sorry. This is supposed to be on the left. Change the background color to a light gray. So if I come up here to chart style, background color, light gray. Insert and resize the pie chart to fit from A14 to G33. All right. So what I'm going to do is, once I have this all done, I can just close this. And then I want to click on this. I want to drag it A13 A14 through G33. So once I have that, I'm just going to click and I'm going to drag this out, resize it. All right, do I have anything left to do? Okay, I changed the title, made the legend on the left, changed the background color, I inserted it and resized it. Okay, again, when Mr. Parrish and I go to grade this, we're looking at the graph that you made, and we're also looking to see if you used formulas. All right, that's it. I don't think there's any more for us to check out. Just proofread and check for accuracy, and then we're going to turn it in. Okay, so you guys have questions, please let us know.